Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, Southeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Eastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, West Central Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, Southwestern McClain County in central Oklahoma, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lindsay, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Eastern Norman, Purcell, Noble, Slaughterville, Lindsay, Lexington, Maysville, Wayne, Washington, Tribby, Etowah, Kreiner, Lake Thunderbird, Little Axe, Payne and Erin Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.